Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. It's a beautiful 2016 Chevrolet Malibu. Completely redesigned in 16. Totally different look. Very sporty looking. And this one is the top of the line with the Premier package. You get all the options available. It does have the 19-inch aluminum wheels. This is pearl white in color. It's got all the safety feature. Got the front and rear sensors, collision avoidance system, pedestrian warning system, lane departure warning system, blind spot warning system. You name it, this thing's got it. It's even got parallel park assist, where it'll basically park itself. It is a one-owner, clean Carfax non-smoker, Southern car. We do have remote engine start. You just lock and push this button. It's nice for the winter and summer. Get the climate control going. It's got the passive active key. You can just walk up to the car and unlock it, and lock it by pushing this button, as long as the key fob is nearby. Beautiful interior color. It's got the brown and gray. Got power windows, mirrors, locks, memory seat. Got nice leather seats. They're heated and cooled. That's right, air conditioning seat for the summertime. Got power seats on both sides, lumbar support. Got clean carpets and floor mats, automatic headlights. Once you're in here, all you do is put your foot on the brake, push the start button, and there it is. It's only got 30,000 miles. Got all your trip computer. Very fuel efficient car too. It claims it gets 33 miles per gallon on the highway. As you can see, you can do better if you drive it right. It's got leather wrapped steering wheel. It is heated. There's your cruise control, lane departure warning system. This is the gap set for your cruise control. So it's got adaptive cruise control. It's even got automatic high beams. You push this button, if someone's coming towards you, the high beams will go down, and when they're gone, it'll go back up all by itself. You got voice command, so you can fire up your Siri. Bluetooth for your phone and audio streaming. I'm trying to think of everything. This one's got the upgraded 8-inch screen. Nice resolution. They finally made them pretty. Kind of looks like an iPad mini. There's your nav. It's your phone projection. That's where you can do CarPlay. It'll basically project whatever's on your phone. Most of the function on your phone on the screen. So it's like having a giant iPhone up here. Very nice. There's navigation, Pandora, weather. You have to subscribe for that. Traffic, OnStar, and so on. You've got a dual automatic climate control. Passenger driver can have their own temperatures. There's your cool seat, heated seat. Also, we got the backup camera. Nice resolution. The sound system is the upgraded one, the Bose 9 speakers, so it sounds great. Got an 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift, electric parking brake. There's your traction control button, park assist, and parallel park assist. Got a place for your phone. I do have both keys. Owner's manual. Original window sticker, $36,550. So considering the condition the car's in, this is tremendous savings. You get it just like new car for much less. It's got the auto dimming rearview mirror, OnStar, panoramic sunroof. It opens or tilts, and then when it's too hot, you got a power shade. How about that? One more time, it'll close completely. Pretty nifty. Got universal garage door opener. Fun to drive, comfortable. Feels like a high-end car. And the looks remind me of the Audi A7, basically, just very sporty. Nice comfortable back seat. Got an armrest with cup holders. Back here you've got some USB charging outlet. A 120, a 115, 12 volts. So just about anywhere you got charged some, there's a way. You got vents, keep everyone comfortable. It's got the LED tail lights. Got a nice large trunk, and the back seat lays down forward too for some extra cargo space. Plenty of space. Got the nice LED brake light on top, tinted windows. It's one good looking car. Here you've got a nice power plant. It's a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, 250 horse, which is tremendous on a car of this size. Lots of power, fuel efficient and reliable. This Malibu comes with the remainder of the factory warranty, which is 3-year 36,000 miles bumper to bumper, a 5-year 60 on the powertrain. If you're looking for a sharp luxury sports car in like new condition at an affordable price, I believe you found it. To see if this Malibu is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available. A simple credit application on my website. You can fill that out and I'll get to work on it. Worldwide shipping is also available. For a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.